first one is called 3 white soldiers, which is a bullish reversal pattern. The 3 white soldiers pattern begins with a gap down before the first candle, and then 3 small bullish candles appear in a row in ascending motion. The 3 bullish candles, or 3 white soldiers as they are called, fill the gap created before the first bullish candle, giving an indication that buying pressure is building up, so the market might go to the upside. The fact that the market displays 3 small bullish candles before the reversal implies that this pattern gives you some time to understand what's going on while the market is building buying pressure. The 3 white soldiers pattern appears when price is going to the downside in order to signal a reversal to the upside. Here we can see how the pattern begins with a gap down and then fills the gap with the 3 ascending candlesticks. Next we have the 3 black rows pattern, which is the mirror image of the 3 white soldiers and therefore a bearish reversal pattern. The 3 black rows pattern begins with a gap up and then 3 small bearish candles appear in order to build selling pressure to the downside and fill the gap. The fact that the market takes some time to fill the gap and build momentum to the downside implies there is more time for the trader to observe what's going to happen. The 3 black rows pattern appears when price is going up in order to signal a reversal to the downside. The next pattern we are going to study is called the 3 stars in the south, which is a bullish reversal pattern. This one is a little bit trickier because it's a bullish reversal pattern composed by 3 bearish candles. We have to pay attention to the decreasing size of candle bodies and the larger size of the lower tails in the candlesticks to apprehend the logical interpretation of this pattern. So the 3 stars in the south pattern has 3 descending bearish candles. Each candle has a smaller body than the previous candle. The other important detail is that the lower tails of these 3 candles are much more prominent than the upper tails. The logical interpretation of this pattern is that price is decelerating its downward momentum, hence the decreasing size of the candle bodies, and beyond that, price is encountering buying pressure as we can tell by the larger lower tails. You can almost see the sellers failing to create larger candle bodies and the buyers succeeding to create larger lower tails. Notice that sometimes the 3rd candle in the pattern can be in a harami position, which is when the candle is fully contained in the range of the previous candle. This increases the strength of the 3 stars in the south pattern because the harami is also a reversal pattern. The 3 stars in the south pattern appears when price is going down in order to signal a reversal to the upside. Next we have the advanced block pattern, which is the mirror image of the 3 stars in the south, so it's a bearish reversal pattern. This pattern is a bit counterintuitive in the same way as the last one because it's a bearish reversal pattern formed only by bullish candlesticks. The pattern is formed by 3 candlesticks with decreasing body size and prominent upper tails. The progressive decrease in body size means that buyers are losing momentum, and the longer upper tails means that sellers are gaining momentum in relation to the buyers. Notice that, similarly to the 3 stars in the south pattern, the 3rd candle can be in a harami position, which is when the candle is fully contained in the range of the previous candle. This increases the strength of the advanced block pattern because the harami is also a reversal pattern. The advanced block appears when price is going up in order to signal a reversal to the downside. The last 2 complex reversal patterns formed by 3 candles are the fry path bottom and the dumpling top. The fry path bottom is a bullish reversal pattern formed by 2 small bearish candles, followed by a small bullish candle that opens with a considerable gap up. The gist of this pattern is that the 3rd candle jumps in the opposite direction of the previous 2 candles in an unexpected way. The logical interpretation here is quite simple, since a sudden change in movement with a gap denotes that the selling pressure has vanished away and the buying pressure is now dominant. The fry path bottom appears when price is going down in order to signal a reversal to the upside. Next we have the dumpling top, which is the mirror image of the fry path bottom, So it's a bearish reversal pattern composed by two small bullish candles followed by a small bearish candle that opens with a considerable gap down. The logical interpretation follows the same simplicity of the fry path bottom. A sudden change in direction aligned with a gap down means that buying pressure is vanishing away and that selling pressure is now dominant. What catches the attention of the fry path bottom and the dumpling top is that the third candle seems to hit an unexpected barrier to change direction. The dumpling top appears when price is going up in order to signal a reversal to the downside. This pattern finishes off the set of complex reversal patterns formed by 3 candles. Next, we'll look at the final 4 complex reversal patterns that are formed by 5 candles. Notice that we jumped from 3 candles to 5 candles because there are no relevant complex reversal patterns formed by 4 candles. I have a ton of free content on my YouTube channel. You can find some basic information and some advanced stuff as well. If you like the material I produce, please consider clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel, activating the notifications button, sharing the video, and leaving your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care.